Bitcoin just had the most bullish weekly candle close I've ever seen in my lifetime. Bitcoin closed above the macro resistance trend line. This is a trend line I've been talking about now for a very long time. And you can see every single time Bitcoin's ever came in contact with this trend line, stretching all the way back to 2017, we have officially rejected at every single major point. Now, yes, in 2021, we did actually have a wick above. However, it was merely just a wick. You can see the candle close was actually below the trend line. But this time is truly different. You know, you hear a lot of YouTubers say this time is different. And a lot of it's just hyperbole. They're just trying to get clicks. But it is a fact that this time is officially different. We have closed the week above the trend line for the first ever time. And it wasn't just slightly above the trend line. It was significantly above it. We closed the week around 120K. The trend line was at 115.5. We only had to close at 116 for it to be bullish, but we closed well above that. And I'm actually quite surprised that the trend line didn't even show any real resistance. We just surged right past it as if it was nothing. And for me, this sets the precedent for much further upside when it comes to Bitcoin and when it comes to the altcoins. Now, there is a key fib level around 130K. The 1.618 is around 130K. If you put the fibs on from the kind of Trump pump, all the way down to the tariff crash, the fibs will project a 1.618 around 130K. For me, that is the next target, somewhere around that level. I think we will find some resistance. But right now, we are looking incredibly bullish for Bitcoin. And in this video, I'm going to be going over some of the altcoins, and I'm going to be talking about where I see them going in the coming weeks. Now, if you want to get my real-time buy and sell alerts, I highly recommend checking out that VIP group linked down below. You can track what I'm buying, what I'm selling, and you can gain access to a Discord group which literally never sleeps. I mean, every single second of the day, people are in here talking about the markets, looking at charts, joining voice chats, looking for gems. And my buy and sell alerts, as I said, you can actually see within the Discord. So it's an all-in-one crypto hub to navigate this bull run. Now, it seems like every single time I check the top 100 and I check the biggest gainers on the day, one of my coins is the biggest gainer. Today it's Sui. You guys know I was buying Sui all the way down at 76 cents. That's the biggest gainer out of all the coins in the top 100. Sui is the biggest gainer today. And yesterday it was actually HBAR. So consistently, the picks that I am choosing are the winners. And we're not even really, right into an alt season right now. We're in the very beginning stages of an altcoin season. The reason I would say we're actually in the beginning stages and not just some sort of fake out rally like a lot of people are saying this is because Total 3 is breaking out. So if I just pull up Total 3 here, I do apologize. I'm recording this on my iPad. I've tried to record it on my PC many times and I've been encountering way too many issues. So I'm just going to go on my iPad for today. But you can see Total 3 is officially breaking out. And you can see the compression that we've been in for a very long period of time. It's actually even more obvious if I show you this on the daily, how much we've been compressing and compressing and compressing with Total 3. And eventually we've gotten this breakout. Now we're finding a little bit of resistance at that golden pocket, but I think we're going to get above that. And once we do, we're going straight for all-time highs. So there's a parabolic move coming for the altcoins, in my opinion. And when you look at some other altcoins in particular, like Sui, the charts of these don't lie. They look insanely, insanely bullish. Like if we look at Sui right now, you can see there's a major level of resistance just above it, but I think we're going to smash right past it. Then again, we're going for all-time highs. So the setups look good for these altcoins. We're in the very beginning stages of an alt season. Bitcoin dominance also further validates that. The fact that we are seeing a rejection at that 786 fib level for Bitcoin dominance, around 66%. To me, that validates that we are entering an altcoin season, and the vicious climb of Bitcoin dominance is now over for the time being. Now, maybe in the bear market, we'll go up to 70% Bitcoin dominance again, but I think for a sustained period of time now, we are going to see a decline in Bitcoin dominance, which is going to allow for a major move up on some of the altcoins. Fear and greed, literally only in 70. Crypto market cap total is at 3.7 trillion. My target for this bull run is somewhere between 4 to 6 trillion. So there's still a long way to go until we're done for this altcoin season. There's a lot of money that's going to flow into our altcoins and pump our bags essentially. And as I say, day in, day out, I'm looking at the top gainers and it's coins which I've called. We recently called HBAR in the VIP group, which was absolutely surging yesterday. It was the biggest gainer in the entire market. I gave a buy alert out for this around 16 cents. So if you follow that buy alert, you'd be up a ton right now. It's up 52%, as you can see here, just in the last 7 days. It's just a matter of being able to pick the winners. I mean, there's so many coins out there, but it's hard to pick the winners. And that's what we're doing in the VIP day in, day out. So to summarize this video, I think the market is looking really strong. Bitcoin dominance declining, total 3 breaking out. What altcoins would I be buying right now? A lot of you guys are asking me. Ondo would be an absolute obvious altcoin for me to buy right now. I mean, it's still below $1. I keep telling you guys, anywhere below $1 for Ondo is an absolute steal of a buy. And then when we get to meme coins, Millie looks like a solid buy still. Absolutely killing it on this one. Gave the call for this really early on in the VIP group. And another meme coin which I recently spotted was Troll. Troll on Sol. Gotta make sure it's the one on Sol. This one, super cheap. Literally a 15 million market cap. I see massive upside potential on this one as well. But that's my overall market update, guys. I'm still super bullish on all the core picks. Casper, Sui, Tau, Ondo, Say, Arrow. Absolutely killing it right now in the VIP. And I just look forward to see what's to come, especially as we see Ethereum start to break out. Thank you guys for watching the video. As always, check out that VIP group if you want to see what I'm buying and if you want to join that Discord group, which literally never sleeps. Thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Goodbye.